Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome, friends. I am Tina. This is Life in the Piedmont, and the reason for this video is just going to be a quick introduction to an open collaboration that I am going to be hosting, and it is hashtag growitcookit. And basically what it is that if you have a garden of any sort, it does not matter if you plant in ground, if you plant in your containers, if you plant out on your balcony, if it's something that you grow, we want to see it and we want to see you harvest it and cook it and serve it on your table. Similar to a farm to table, but I like grow it, cook it because it is just different, and more people can participate in it. That collaboration is an open collaboration, and it is, I am in zone 7A, so right now I don't have too much growing that I'm able to go harvest. My radishes are going, my lettuce is going, and carrots, but nothing quite yet to harvest. So I'm anticipating a May start for this collaboration. Now, for some reason, you're in a zone that you've already been able to harvest and been able to use your items. I would love to see a video. It doesn't have to be long, to show me how you use it, and just to inspire and encourage other people to grow their own food and to cook it to feed their families. So my goal for this is to start in May. My garden should be producing in the next couple of weeks. I should be able to harvest, and I have, as you can see behind me, I have some things growing in here. It has been a really tough start for me this year with some of my starts, but I've got a ton of cucumbers growing now. They've all germinated. My zucchini's going. I even have a sunflower there, but I do have things going, and I'm excited about it, and I can't wait for the garden season as I continue just to prep my garden and get involved with my garden and get the hands dirty. So yeah, come and join us. There's going to be several other channels already joining us. And also make sure when you participate in the hashtag growitcookit, use the hashtag and tag Life in the Piedmont, myself, and I will put your video in a playlist along with all the other videos. Hashtag growitcookit. I'll leave all the information down in the bottom in the description box, and I can't wait to see what you're growing and what you're cooking for your family this growing season. Be blessed, and I look forward to those videos. Bye-bye.